Hello student, today we are going to discuss the general method of preparation of alcohol. Okay, according to your syllabus, there are 6 methods by which we can prepare alcohol. Okay, out of 6, first one is from alkene. Okay, so look here, first method of preparation is from alkene. Okay, alkene. Second, from haloalkanes. Third one, by the reduction of carbonyl compound. And fourth one, from Grignard reagent. And fifth one, by hydrolysis of esters. And sixth and the last method, from primary aliphatic amine. So all these are the method. With the help of this method we can prepare alcohols. Okay, so let's start with first method from alkene. So first method from alkene. Okay, now look here, from alkene. Okay, now how can we prepare alcohol from alkene? Simply alkene reacts with water. Okay, so alkene reacts with water. It means from alkene, it is also known as from hydration, from hydration of alkene. From hydration of alkene. Hydration means water molecule. It means alkene reacts with water to form alcohol. Okay, so look here, and in from alkene there are two methods. There are two methods. First one is direct method. Okay, direct method, and the second one is indirect method. Now what is the meaning of direct method and indirect method? Direct method means alkene directly reacts with water and form alcohol. Okay, and indirect method, first alkene react with other substance, then reacts with water. Now look here, alkene. Okay, carbon carbon double bond, simplest alkene, that is ethene. It reacts with water in the presence of some catalyst. Okay, now look here, double bond, it dissociate, one bond pi bond and one is sigma bond. One bond dissociate, and water, it can also be written as H plus OH minus. When these bond dissociate, okay, so look here, this bond dissociate in this side of carbon, so it acquire negative charge, carbon acquire negative charge, and here look, it contain positive charge, it attack on this carbon. Now if bond dissociate in this side, then this carbon acquire positive charge, and if here positive, then this negative attack on this carbon. So look here, what is the product? Product is CH2, one hydrogen attack on this carbon, means CH3. This one is the CH2 OH. Okay, so there is formation of alcohol. Okay, and this type of alcohol, it is a primary alcohol. Okay, and what is the name? Total number of carbon is 2, name is ethanol. So look here, in this case, that is from hydration of alkene, in direct method, ethene reacts directly with water. So there is formation of ethanol. Okay, this is the example of direct method. Now indirect method, in indirect method, alkene CH2 double bond CH2 first reacts with sulfuric acid. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Okay. Now, in indirect method, first alkene reacts with sulfuric acid, then reacts with water, hot water. Okay. So it is an example of indirect method. Now look here, this sulfuric acid also can be written as HO HSO4. Okay, it can be also written as H and HSO4. Okay, now look what happened. This bond dissociate. If this bond dissociate in this carbon, it acquire negative charge. And look here, this sulfuric acid can be written as HSO4. Why I written as? Because it dissociate into H plus and HSO4 minus. Okay, so look here, if this bond dissociate in this side, in this carbon side, then it acquire negative charge and hydrogen attack on this carbon. So what happened? CH2 CH3. Okay, now, and this carbon acquired positive charge. Okay, this carbon acquired positive charge. So hydrogen sulfate, this is the hydrogen sulfate ion, attack on this carbon. There is formation of, this is the carbon, 2 hydrogen and HSO4 minus. Okay, now after that, when it reacts with hot water, that is H plus and OH minus. Okay, so look here, this dissociate, this bond dissociate. Okay, and form CH3 CH2 OH plus H2SO4. Okay, now once again there is formation of alcohol and sulfuric acid. Okay, so these are about the method of preparation of alcohol from alkene. There are two methods, direct method and indirect method. Okay, now look here, in this structure, basically this HSO4 attached with oxygen, Okay, now look here, CH2W1 CH2 H2SO4 H, it can also written as HSO4. It dissociates into H plus and HSO4 minus. Now it can also written as OSO2 OH. Okay, because in reaction, when this bond dissociate in this side, then this group attached with this carbon. Why attached with this carbon? Because this carbon acquired positive charge. Okay, so look here, this one OSO2 OH, and when it reacts with water, look here, then hydrolysis takes place, that is, look here, H plus and OH minus, and also it dissociate from this. Means oxygen contain negative charge, oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur. So this one, H attack on this and remove sulfuric acid. Okay, so these are the method of preparation, first method of preparation of alcohol. Now second method from haloalkanes. All of you know very well that is what is haloalkanes. Okay, your first chapter is haloalkanes. Okay, now haloalkanes when reacts with aqueous sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, okay, formation of alcohol. Now look here, the general method of preparation, the general formula, Look here, RH. RH means alkyl halide, means haloalkane. When it reacts with sodium hydroxide, okay, or potassium hydroxide, condition is it is aqueous. Okay, then there is formation of, in aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide dissociates sodium hydroxide and OH ion, that is hydroxide, and behaves as a nucleophile, and it replaces this X. Okay, so there is formation of ROH plus NaX. Okay, now this is alcohol. So the second method of preparation of alcohols from haloalkanes. Haloalkanes simply reacts with aqueous sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Okay, now example. Okay. R means alkyl group, so CH3 CH2 I, that is iodomethane. The name of this compound is ethane. Iodoethane. It reacts with sodium hydroxide, and what is the condition? Condition is aqueous. Okay, aqueous. Then there is formation of CH3 CH2 OH plus sodium iodide. Now the name of this alcohol is ethanol. Now next example, when we take in CH3 CH2 Br, that is bromoethane. Okay, it reacts with KOH, aqueous KOH, to form CH3 CH2 OH plus KBr. Ethanol. Okay, so now by this method we can also prepare alcohol. Okay, now next example, look here, CH3 CH2 Br, that is bromoethane. Okay, now it also reacts with moist silver hydroxide, means AgOH, and it is moist. Okay, when we take in bromoethane and moist silver hydroxide, it also form alcohol. Okay, so look here, there is formation of silver bromide. Okay, silver bromide and alcohol, and in alcohol ethanol. Okay, now in this method we can also prepare alcohol. Okay, now in this method when we take in primary alkyl halide, then there is formation of primary alcohol. But when we take in secondary alkyl halide, then there is formation of alcohol plus alkene. Okay, now when we take in tertiary alkyl halide, then there is formation of only alkene. So from alcohol, from haloalkanes, we can prepare alcohols. Now next method, from aliphatic primary amine. Now look here, from primary aliphatic amine. Okay, now what is primary amine? Aliphatic means simply carbon-carbon single bond. Okay, now primary and amine. Okay, now look here, alafino NH3 ammonia. Okay, this is ammonia. It can also written as okay. When one hydrogen are replaced by an alkyl group, then there is formation of primary amine. It means that one hydrogen removed by R. R means alkyl group. Removed okay. This is known as primary amine. Primary amine means that one hydrogen of ammonia replaced by alkyl group. Okay, this is the primary amine or amine. Now if we replace other hydrogen, then what happen? Then there is formation of secondary amine. Look here, this is secondary amine. Okay, and if we remove this hydrogen, then there is formation of this, and this one is the tertiary amine. 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. It means amine are the derivative of ammonia. अमोनिया लो, उसमें से एक हाइड्रोजन हटाते जाओ, एल्काइल ग्रुप लगाते जाओ. वन एल्काइल ग्रुप लगाओगे तो प्राइमरी एमाइन, एक और हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करोगे, आर लगाओगे, एल्काइल ग्रुप लगाओगे तो सेकेंडरी, एंड इन दिस वे टर्सरी एमीन ऑब्टेन्ड. ओके, सो प्राइमरी एमीन. नाउ दिस प्राइमरी एमीन, that is this one, when reacts with nitrous acid, means look here, R NH2, this is primary amine, that is 1 degree amine. When it reacts with nitrous acid, nitrous acid means the formula of nitrous acid is HNO2. Okay, when reacts with this, then there is formation of alcohol. How? Look here. Now this nitrous acid prepared by reaction of sodium nitrite plus HCl. Okay, then there is formation of NaCl plus HNO2. NaCl plus HNO2. This is the nitrous acid. Okay, now look here. It can also be written as HONO. Okay, HONO. Okay, it means it can also be written as HONO. Okay, now look here. This is the primary amine, that is RNH2. It reacts with this one, HONO. Now what happens? OH group replaces this one. Then there is formation of ROH plus, look here, one nitrogen and one nitrogen reacts nitrogen and water molecule. So this is your reaction in which we prepare alcohol from primary aliphatic amine. Okay, now example, CH3 CH2 NH2. Okay, ethyl, name of this compound is ethyl amine. Okay, reacts with HONO, that is HNO2, to form CH3 CH2 OH along with nitrogen and water. So by this method we can also prepare alcohol. Now next method, by the hydrolysis of ester. Okay, now look here, what is ester? Ester formed by the reaction of alcohol and carboxylic acid. Okay, so what is ester? Here, now the general formula of ester is RC11O, O R dash. R is alkyl group, maybe its alkyl group are same or different. Okay, so now when this reacts with water in the presence of alkali, form alcohol. Now look here, example, CH3 C double one O CH3. Here we have taken same alkyl group. Okay, now it reacts with water, then there is formation of CH3 C double one O H plus CH3 OH. Okay, now look here, and this reaction proceed in the presence of alkali. Okay, so alkali means sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Okay, now look here, CH3C11OOH, it is acetic acid, and this one is the methyl alcohol, yeah, methanol. Okay, CH3COH, common name of this compound is acetic acid. Okay, alkyl name is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Now next example, okay, CH3 C double one O C2H5. In this example, we have taken different alkyl group. Look here, it also reacts with water in the presence of alkali like sodium hydroxide. Then there is formation of CH3 C double one O H. Okay, and formation of C2H5OH. So once again, here formation of acetic acid, and here ethanol. Okay, so this is the method by which we can also prepare alcohol by hydrolysis of ester.